Hi beauties, look at these beautiful press-on nails. Yes, these are press-on nails. Now, watch me put these on. So these are my natural nails and I do have a pretty wide nail bed. So to find press-on nails that actually fit was definitely important for me. This is the nail clipper I'm using, nail file, buffer, cuticle softener, cuticle pushers, cuticle nippers, and these are the nail stands to be able to like paint my nails. And then this is the adhesive to stick the nails onto the stand. The base and top coat, the nail glue. And these are the nails. These are the BT Art Box nails. And I did get them in one of the nude shades. There's a variety of nude shades. So for any skin tone, there is a perfect nude shade for you. And I did get them in the long coffin and long square. They do have a variety of other colors as well as other lengths. So definitely take your pick, whatever you're feeling, whatever you like, they have it. So now I'm going to prep and groom my nails. I'm going to trim them. I'm going to buff them. I'm going to file them. I'm going to soak and soften my cuticles. I'm going to push my cuticles back, all the things to prep my nails so that the nails stay on longer and the adhesive works. So now I'm going to tell you why I decided to go with these nails, and I'm also going to tell you why I decided to use a nail glue instead of gel. I believe myself I'm allergic to gel on my skin. I get blisters, I get rashes. I've tried numerous times to get this right, and for some reason, even when I go to the salon, it just itches and I get this rash. I think I'm allergic to it. So I decided to go with a regular nail glue, and I saw this woman on Instagram use a nail glue, and the way she was bending her nail, I was like, I have to use that glue. I have to try it. I have to get my hands on it. So I am on my, from filming this video, maybe like my third week, because I filmed this almost 3 weeks ago. I'm on my third week, and when I tell you the nail glue that I'm going to use, it is nail glue, okay? So yeah, trust. So now I'm going to put together the stands that I'm going to use to put the nails on so that I can place them under the gel light. These are so cute. This is my first time using these as well. These are so cute, and I just didn't want to have to put the nails underneath the light like one by one. Who's doing that? So these are really, really convenient, and they're easy to put together and they're kind of magnetic, so you don't have to worry about accidentally breaking them in storage or anything like that. And then this is what I'm going to use to put the nails on the stands. So they're like, it's like this little tacky, like gum-like adhesive. It's not super strong or anything like that, but it does work, so it's not hard to pull off of the stands or the nails. So these are the nails. This is the set I decided to go with, the long square, and it does come with 5 sets, which is lovely. And these nails are already textured, so you don't have to buff, drill, or anything like that. And I do like that they come with so many sets because my nail beds are so wide that I'm going to be using a thumb for a middle finger and all that. So I do have the option to kind of mix and match the nails to actually fit each one of my fingers. So this is what you see me doing here. I'm just assuring that the entire nail bed is covered, and then whatever I have to file and kind of custom and adjust, I will do so. But this is just me matching up the nails to my fingernails. So I did end up having to use another set just for one finger, and for me that's good. 'Cause usually they don't fit at all or I'm running out of fingernails. Like I don't have, more nails to be able to fit all of my fingers, and then I'm left with fingernails that aren't covered, and it's just, I don't know, I just don't like that. I like for the nail to fit. So this is just me double checking, trying to see if I need to buff or file or customize anything, which I did end up having to do just a little bit. So this is me kind of, just making sure the nail actually fits my finger. And then this is me filing off the tab, the little tab part. You pull it off and there's that little tab. I'm just kind of filing that off so it's not there when I paint my nails. So now I'm sticking on the nails to the little stands with the little pieces of gum. That's what I was calling it. It literally looks like gum. And yeah, we're about to get to painting. So first I'm going in with the base coat, and I like to be sure that I'm using a thin layer or it's going to be sticky, and I want it to actually dry. And also a tip, just so that it looks a lot more professional and clean. You see at the end I'm kind of swiping it. Actually what I should have done was swiped the tip first and then painted the rest of the nail, just so that part is covered and I'm not disrupting, the flow of the polish. Like I don't want to, mess up the tip at the end of it all. So swipe across the front first and then paint the nail. And then these are the two lamps that I'm going to be using. Yes, I am using two different kinds of lamps, and I will tell you why. So now I'm just going to dry the base first. And this is me going in with the top coat. These nails are great. The texture on the nails, so I don't have to buff prior to painting them with the gel polish, is amazing. And then on top of that, the gel polish just gives it that extra I went to the salon kind of look, that not thick, but more sturdy look that you get when you actually go to the salon and you get an acrylic set or a dip powder. It doesn't look like I have on press-on nails, and these nails are sturdier on their own. They're not like that traditional flimsy press-on nail. These are really nice sturdy nails, but the gel polish on top of it with the grit that they already have for the gel to actually stick and not like flake off is amazing. So I'm about to go ahead and cure these nails for the top coat, and then I'll do this a couple times, cure it just so that it's not sticky. And then I'm going to go in with this second lamp. This lamp is really cute, but it is kind of more versatile. I can go up and down in the settings, how strong the light is, and then I can also kind of move it at different angles, because sometimes the regular lamp doesn't get the sides of the nails and make sure that they're dry. So yeah, I love this lamp for that reason. Look how pretty. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually soften my cuticles and push them back. And this does help the adhesion as well to not have grown out cuticles. It looks cleaner, it looks more done and professional. So yeah. So I'm all done with that. I've washed my hands multiple times. I've scrubbed them with a brush. Everything is good. So now I'm going to now dehydrate my fingernails with some alcohol to also aid in the adhesion of the nails. So this is the glue. Yes, so look how thick that nail is. Look at that. That is amazing. Just me moving it around and holding it, you can tell how sturdy this nail is. Okay, so now I'm putting the glue on the nail. When I first did it, I was kind of afraid to go too far up, but I didn't end up going far up enough. So I had to go back in and put more glue further up the nail. And then as I did each nail, I got better and better. But the best way to do this is to put more glue at the base of the nail and then put the base down close to the cuticle and then go from the cuticle and kind of like push the nail down and go up at the same time because you'll get that air pocket. You can kind of see it there if you don't do it that way. It almost is like if you've ever put a like a screen protector on your phone, do it the same way so that you're not getting air bubbles. So as I do this, I get a little bit better. And then, I mean, the glue does dry pretty quick, so you don't have to hold your finger forever. But yeah, so try to put it on kind of how you would a screen protector over your phone and then hold it down for a couple seconds and then you'll get this beautiful nail. Look at that nail. Look at that nail. It looks like I went to a salon. Is that not perfect? Look how pretty. So I really don't have any air pockets in this one either. So the rest of my fingers, as I did them, it looked better and better. And then this is a side shot. Some of it was kind of my fault. I kind of overfiled like this one, but for the most part, these nails are perfect. They fit my fingernails perfectly. These will definitely be repurchased, and I don't have to repurchase that soon either because there are multiple sets in a pack, and I have 2 packs of these. So I definitely will be repurchasing these, and I'm definitely going to try other lengths. I was just feeling long nails at the time, so I got long nails, and I do love these nails. But I also like shorter nails, like a shorter almond shaped nail, which they do have, and I'm definitely going to get them, and I'm going to stock up on this glue. Guys, you have to try this glue. Even if you just wear your natural nails, because I do that as well, and you might break a nail, you need to like glue a little bit. Perfect glue for that. So yeah, this is the finished product. Do these not look absolutely amazing? It looks like I went to the salon. They're really sturdy. The color is on point. I am a nude girly, so the color is on point. The length is bomb. The shape is amazing. I'll show you guys the sturdiness too, like how thick they look. And I mean thick in a good way, not thick in a acrylic powder way, but thick in terms of how thick a fake press on nail is. These are perfect and they're really affordable. So if you didn't know about them, now you know. We do not gatekeep beauty secrets over here. Look at that nail. Oh my gosh. Everything is going to be linked below, from the nails to the glue to the lamps. Everything is below. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Bye, beauties.